Surface Laptop 5, Surface Laptop 5, the Surface Laptop 5. In this video, we are going to do an overview of, you guessed it, the Surface Laptop 5. Stick around for a more detailed overview of this awesome new device, and let's start by rolling the titles. Hola, I'm Christian, part of the Expert Zone UK and I team working with Microsoft. In this video, we are going to be going through an overview of the Surface Laptop 5. Now, if you want to see what's in the box with the Surface Laptop 5, click on the link in the description and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified of any future content. Now, straight off the bat, the Surface Laptop 5 comes in two sizes, a 13.5 inch and a 15 inch variant. Now, the internal specs for these two sizes do vary slightly, which we will get onto internals in just a little bit. But first, let's start with the 13.5 inch Surface Laptop 5. Now, the first thing you will notice with these devices is just how sleek and elegant they look. The all-metal chassis really does give it a premium feel. This particular device is the newest color, sage green. You can also have this size device in three other colors. It comes in platinum, sandstone, and black. And the platinum also comes with the option of an all-metal body or the Alcantara finish around the keyboard for comfort. Now, I would love to know which color is your favorite, so let me know which color you would pick in the comments. If I open this device, you can see just how easy it is to open with just one finger. Once the device is open, you're going to notice that classic Surface screen with a 3:2 aspect ratio. This allows you to get more text on the vertical view of the screen while working on things like docs compared with a 16:9 display. This is also the Pixel Sense display, and this is the sort of display we've become accustomed to with the Surface Laptop range. It also has 10-point touch, and you can use a pen with this screen, so you get all the benefits of being able to use your fingers to move and drag things, or a pen to write notes. Disclaimer, Surface pens and Surface Slim pens are purchased separately. Now, if we take a moment to look at the side of the device, you will notice a Surface connector on the side. This is for connecting the Surface charger that comes in the box. This is magnetic for connecting accessories like a Surface hub. And then on the other side, you have a USB-A, a USB-C, which is also a Thunderbolt 4 connection, which allows you to charge via USB-C or connect external devices like a 4K monitor, an external GPU. We also have an aux connector or a headphone jack, as you will most likely use this for. Now, you can see from just looking at the footage on screen that this device is really sleek, but it's also light as well. With a starting weight of just 1,272 grams, this device is designed for portability. Now, I've used this device for a little while now, and the keyboard really is exceptionally comfortable for myself to use, no matter whether I'm sat at a desk or with the device on my lap. But what about the rest of the internals? Well, with the Surface Laptop 5, you get two choices of processor. You have the choice of the 12th gen Intel i5 1235U or the Intel 12th gen i7 1255U options. You also have options for different size storage and RAM. Now, if we start with the RAM, you have the options of an 8 gig, a 16 gig, or a 32 gigabyte options available. And these are all LPDDR5X RAM. Now, to have the 32 gigabyte RAM option, you do have to pair this with the Intel i7. You also have three storage options available with the Surface Laptop 5, and these options are 256 gigabyte, 512 gigabyte, or a 1 terabyte of storage. And these are all solid state drives or SSD storage. These devices also come with the Intel Iris Xe graphics. Now, if you're looking at the 15-inch devices, these devices only come with the Intel i7 processor. The 1 terabyte of storage option is also only available in the i7 15-inch devices as well. These options of internals, adding things like Thunderbolt 4, has brought the Surface Laptop 5 in line with the Intel Evo platform. Although when you see these devices in stores, you might not see the Evo sticker on the devices, it has been Intel Evo certified. So what about camera, audio, and connectivity? You can look and sound your absolute best with Surface Laptop 5 with dual far-field studio microphones and enhanced camera experience powered by Windows 11 to use features like background blur in Teams and noise suppression for audio. With those enhanced camera experiences, you also still have things like Windows Hello. Now, Windows Hello is one of my favorite features because it allows me to access my device without remembering passwords or PIN codes. It simply just scans my face and into my device I get. When you're streaming your favorite content from your favorite content provider, be it your favorite show or your favorite movies, so a lot of favorites, the Surface Laptop 5 comes with Dolby Vision IQ, ready to allow you to experience that content as it was intended by the creators. So it doesn't matter if you are sat in a pitch black room or a bright hotel lobby, the Surface Laptop 5 is designed to help you consume the content you want, where you want, whenever you want. So I guess that brings us to connectivity. The Surface Laptop 5 comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 technologies, allowing you to stay connected in as many places as possible. As you would expect, the Surface Laptop 5 comes with Windows 11 pre-installed out of the box. And it has all those things on it you would already expect, like apps for Word, PowerPoint, Excel. You just need an applicable subscription or license to use them as you would on your previous device. You also have things like Xbox app pre-built in, and again, you just need some already purchased games or a Game Pass subscription to start playing your favorite games. So there we have it, an overview of the Surface Laptop 5 with the most up-to-date features for this device. I must say, this sage green is quickly becoming my favorite new color. It's sleek, elegant, and it's light. It's a device that I don't mind carrying around with me. Thanks for watching this overview, and for more content like this, overviews, how-tos, and unboxings, please subscribe to Expert Zone UK and I YouTube channel. Hit the bell button to get the notifications of when we release new content, and stay tuned for the unboxing of the Surface Laptop 5. Ciao.